know if you can guess the playlist. You're like strangely good at it.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Things on like way late.
Yeah, it's probably one of their demos from Deck. But it's gonna hit that truck. HCN 9243.
I don't think it did any damage.
Well, no, she's not qualified to assess that.
Huh?
She's not qualified to assess that. She's a hit and runner. That's a hit and run driver right there.
She checked it though.
Alright, pull forward.
Okay, hang on.
Okay.
Just give me a fucking second.
I'm gonna get out and try to help them. So.
The top and rope it up. You can't do that. If a police officer sees him, he probably pull him over.
Right, idiots in cars.
Something like that in the trunk, exactly, and rope it down, or the top of the car.
Never seen something like that before.
Oh! 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 You good? You alright? Hey, take the right. Huh? No, you can't leave. You hit me. You ran a stop sign.
More than that.
Cynical beats.
I just got in a wreck.
Problem.
You can't cross.
Yeah, I don't care about this camera bullet.
No. I did cut across you. I cut across the car in front of you, not in front of you. Yeah.
Wait, this house mine. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh! Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God! Wow, I can't.
You're welcome.
Stop. Hey! Hey! Wake up! There's a Bud Light can sitting in there and he passed clean out.
That's what he did to me.
He'll go home. The horse knows how to get home.
I don't even know if this is my car.
I'm gonna see if I can get in front of him and slow down. We might have it stopped. Nope. Disregard. He just rammed it into my car. Hey! Stop your horse! Stop your horse! Stop your horse! Get your horse!